Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 11, upload an Excel file. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to a file that we have created using Microsoft Excel. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all apps, scroll to the bottom of the screen to explore all your applications. Now let's go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Before we do anything, let's just minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now open up the Excel file that we have been working on. This is what we will be uploading to Yammer. So we can now quit Excel. Let's now go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Now let's go to All Company, My Communities. Let's go to Files. It's the same procedure as we did for the previous tutorials. Let's click on Upload, Files, navigate to the desktop, and there we'll see Tech XLSX. Click on Open. That should have now uploaded to your Yammer profile. So if I were to click on the Excel file that we have uploaded, it will open up in Excel for Microsoft Office 365 web-based, and there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.